So here I come with the next video, that is our lesson 2, Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization is also known as Harappan Civilization. Its time period is about 2500 BCE to 750 BCE. It is one of the oldest urban civilization of the world. It developed along the Indus River and its tributaries. Main sites जो थी Indus Valley Civilizations की that is Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibangan and Banavali. Town planning. Town planning is the most important feature of the Harappan cities of the Indus Valley Civilization. Harappan cities were well planned. Cities developed into citadels, citadel, upper town and lower town. Streets cut each other at right angles, house made of baked bricks. Each house had bathroom, well, drain connected to main drainage system. The drainage system was the best in the ancient world. Economic life. मेन ऑक्यूपेशन जो था एग्रीकल्चर था. क्रॉप्स ग्रोन की जाती थी, वीट, बार्ले, कॉटन. फर्स्ट सिविलाइजेशन टू ग्रो कॉटन. ट्रेड, इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड होता था. इंटरनल ट्रेड विद इन द कंट्री, एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड आउटसाइड विद अदर कंट्रीज. ट्रेड विद मेसोपोटामिया. मेसोपोटामिया इज present day is Iraq. Use of seals for trade. Seals means like stamps use की जाती थी ट्रेड करने के लिए. Society and daily life. People wore cotton clothes, used ornaments made of gold, silver, beads. Toys, cards and games found. No clear evidence of kings or palaces suggest peaceful society. If there is no evidence of kings or palaces, it means it's a peaceful society. Religion. Worship of mother goddess, Pashupati seal, proto Shiva. Practice of tree and animal worship. ट्री की और एनिमल्स की वर्शिप की जाती थी. स्क्रिप्ट. हरप्पन हैड देयर ओन स्क्रिप्ट. इट इज़ नॉट येट डेसिफाइड. डेसिफाइड मीन्स अभी तक भी कोई उस स्क्रिप्ट को रीड नहीं कर पाया है, और जो स्क्रिप्ट थी वो रिटर्न होती थी ऑन सील्स पे. So here we come with the MCQs. First is Indus Valley Civilization is also known as Harappan Civilization. The time period of Indus Valley Civilization, it is about 2500 to 750 BCE. Third question is, which was the port city of the Harappan Civilization? That is the most important question. Lothal is the port city of the Harappan Civilization. Lothal. The most important feature of Harappan cities was town planning. Harappan cities were famous for their drainage system. Houses in Harappan cities were mainly made of baked bricks. The Harappans were the first to grow cotton. Harappans had trade relations with Mesopotamia. Seals in the Indus Valley Civilization were mainly used for trade. The Harappan script is not yet deciphered. Which is the largest site of the Indus Valley Civilization? That is largest site, Mohenjo-daro. Harappan cities were divided into citadel and lower town.